let's go, move it. Move it, cupcakes, move it.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
Cupcakes? I ain't no cupcake.
Tornado. Impact flying debris will be dangerous. Without shelter.
Alrighty, Thomas, I'm fixing to get the probes.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Probe deployed. I'm out. I gotta go. Just calm down. Undeploy it. It's going towards the building. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Hold on, I gotta get the vehicles out. I gotta get the vehicles out of there.
How many tornadoes are there?
No, stop spawning them. Stop. There's only one. It's one big one.
Where?
Right behind the building. It's coming this way. Start moving.
Stop moving, cupcakes.
It's okay if we lose one of these vehicles. But just here. Lord. Hold on, I'm getting this on IMAX camera. Alright, move. Whoa.
I'll go this way, you go that way, I'll intercept it.
Alright. I'm going to see what damage it did. That's not good. The building is pretty damaged. And I got hit by a brick wall. Yeah, the windows are broken. That's not...
Our building's cool.
Whoa! Yo, it disappeared.
Yo, it actually disappeared.
I don't know what happened. Alright, we can't be too hopeful that it might come back. Let's start moving the vehicles back to the building. You go get the go get my wind peaked at 82 miles per hour on the probes, so I must have gotten pretty close. There any other vehicles that we don't know of? Alright, we're good. Alright. Alright, I'm going in to see what all other... Okay! Wow, it did some damage.
Super structure.
I don't know, I actually haven't asked them. Hey, do you like watching wrestling?
Nah.
Not really?
No, not really right now. Wait a second, dude. I think there's a new person coming. Look.
I can't see that. Delete that. No. Use the redux. Use the redux. What? Why don't you just use the redux one? The redux one. Wait, here, I'll spawn it in for you. Here, there it is. You just have to look up at the door, at the top of the door, and then to get in. Oh my god.
Okay.
This is all you have to do.
I know.
So what are you doing to that port? No. It can deploy by itself. It can already deploy. See why?
I'm copying it down.
Oh.
Now it's all laggy for some reason.
It's the car, but it's okay. I can do something about that.
How do I deploy?
You press O.
Hmm.
I'm pretty sure U plus O. Alright. Remember, we can't be too hopeful. That tornado, some tornado might come back.
Move.
Alright. Man, where did you find this where'd you find that at?
My backyard.
You found it in your... Bro, that tornado earlier was intense, wasn't it?
Hmm.
Building's still kind of falling apart. And there goes our weather satellite. Okay. Alright, well I'm gonna go drive to the local town. Okay, I'm gonna switch maps. This is gonna be a small video. Alright, I'm fixing to change the map. So
Okay, I gotta go.
Where are you going?
The rescue.
Oh, alright. Bro, what is he doing? Whoa! Pow! 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 Doggy. Bo loves me, Grandmama. See? Some black dude. I love that. I understand that. We're gonna go to Dick's Island, baby. See what this?
Yeah, soldier.
What?
Nothing. Alright, did you cut the video?
Nah, I am gonna cut it, Nora.
Okay, good. Vic Martin would get mad at me for saying cut when a video.
Weird. Bro,
Yeah,
he's
I
a
feel like
sumo wrestler! I'm trying to find a video. I'm at, Alright.
Wait, I thought this was just a trailer.
Nah, we already did the trailer. We're just gonna do the video at this point. Not the entire thing. We're not gonna do a big video. It's gonna be a small video.
What?
It's gonna be a small video. I just got bored and decided because I have nothing better to do because Farming Simulator 22 is being a butthole.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure if I'm correct, this map has the thing where I can just turn the tornadoes off. Alright,
Yeah, I think
tornadoes have been disabled. Alright, so now they're disabled. So now the G storms / G weather and all that stuff can do its work.
Okay, good.
Pretty sure I saved that. Nope, I did not save that car, so it'll be okay. I can just act like I switched cars. Cause I technically did. Alright, I'm pulling into the gas station.
Okay, I'm gonna go ask my mom something.
Hey, petrol's gas, right? Sure hope it is. It's the gas pump getting a run for its money. Alright. I have refueled it up and I'm going to watch a movie. Did they really? Oh no. How close is that to us? Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry, you know I do not like tornadoes. Just, no, no.
Soldier?
Yeah, I'm at the movie theater. Where are you?
I'm still loading.
Still loading. Nice. Well,
Did you start it?
yeah, I'm in here. Wait, what? Yeah, I can hear you. What did you say?
No, are you recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording. Why?
Tell your viewers that I'm gonna be there in like 2 miles.
Better hurry. I just got word there's a possible chance of a tornado. And it is raining. Like, badly while I'm watching this movie.
But is it moving? Is it raining badly in your area in real life?
Yeah. Yeah, well, oh, hey, you're here. Nice. Let's go. I'm gonna check on the computer that's sitting here.
No, I mean like in real life, or is it raining badly?
Wait, there's something, getting closer. I believe it is a tornado. I believe we have a problem that we cannot see. Come on.
Well, can you turn off the rain?
No, I can't. No, just let it be. Just let it be. Maybe it'll chill out. Maybe. Oh, hey, look, there it is. All right, let's see. Bean. Let's go check Bean. All right. If I'm correct, it is moving east. I repeat, it is moving east.
I can't get in.
Come here, just let me show you something. Let me show you how I do it. Alright, look, get up here. Do that. You just have to look at the door. Yeah, see, you did it. Good job. Alright. Remember, if you need anything, I'll be here. I think it's moving towards the mobile radar. Yeah, it's moving towards our radar. Okay, it's moving towards the gas station. Alright, it's going above the gas station. Yeah, it's going above the gas station. You should be good to go. You playing Duolingo? I hear Duolingo over there. I know Duolingo when I hear it. Oh, it's an ad, mostly. Okay, it is starting to round the gas station's western corner, which means, alright, it's
Let's
moving.
Get moving.
It's moving west towards the crane thing. I'll tell you if it starts
Let's get
changing.
moving, bro.
No, I'm gonna stay here and guide you. Alright, it's moving back east. It just changed.
Wait, add a camera to my tip. Add a camera to my tip.
No. There's no time now. There's no time now. Just go. That's a problem. It is moving towards the radar. What is that?
Oh yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Move.
Oh, I see it. I'm out. Nope, I'm out. Come on.
I'm going towards it. What EF is it?
I told you that it's an EF3, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's a 3. It's a drill bit 3. Yeah, it's been sucking up stuff. Good Lord. The playground's gone. Really? The rain's back. I'm going back towards the, I'm going to check up on our radar, see if it's okay. Is it over? Alright, meet back at the movie theater. It might not be done yet. Yeah, meet back at the movie theater.
Oh my god, why is this so laggy?
Did you delete your TIV?
Yeah.
Alright, well, alright, let's check the radar. See what happened. It probably died. If I had to. Alright, I'll let you know if something changes. Let me know something.
Wait, add a camera to my car just in case.
I'll add one in a minute. Why don't you add one yourself? Why can't you?
Because you can be at the radar well, you can look at my perspective so we can get the camera.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
There, call we're chasing.
No. I'll put a camera on it real quick, but you won't be able to use it if I put it on.
Okay, come to movie theater.
Alright, I'm at the movie theater. So, hold on. I'm gonna go check this. Oh, that's a problem.
What?
Oh no. Thomas,
What?
get out real quick and put it, and go to a tool, and there should be a camera tool and render. Oh no. Where is that? Where's it at? What even is it? Oh, that isn't. Oh, that's a problem. But that's a big problem. Go to. Yeah, look on the radar. Look on the radar.
Get in my car now.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Just look at the radar. Look at the radar. Tell me what you see.
Oh, hell no. Hell no.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I'm out of here.
Yeah, I'm going to the storm shelter.
I'm going to the giant storm shelter. The one under the map.
I'm going to the storm shelter.
Everyone to the storm shelter now.
I can't see.
Just fly underneath the map.
Oh my. Nope, I'm in. Nope, I'm going in. Nope. Wait,
Put a camera out there. Put a camera out there.
Alright, good.
And make the camera higher up. Put it higher up. So we can see our car.
Thomas, stop the glory. Stop the glory. Alright, you don't have to do it anymore. Alright, I'm checking. It just ripped the camera off. Oh no.
Where is the camera?
It's flying. Whoa, this is not. Ah, it's reaching up to the border down here. Alright, there's the car. Oh my goodness! Oh. I'm trying to see what it's sucked up. I see the camera. I see the camera. That's not good. We need to go now. Alright, deploy the car, get back in, get back in.
Make it straight camera. Wait, do the drive trip.
The what?
The drive trip.
Here, get in this chair. We'll just ride it out.
Know how to click C and then go to and then right click it and click drive.
No, just sit in it. Sit. I'd sit in the chair. Oh no. That got my car. I can already tell you my car can't survive that.
And I already say that my car can't survive that either.
I'm still hearing your cars. Alright, I think it's over. Come on. Alright. I think that's the last of it. Hint, it's not. What? My car survived.
Wait, where's mine?
It's over there. I see it.
Where?
Come to the front of the storm. Over there. Over here. Survived.
It survived.
Somehow. Alright, we need to go inspect damage.
Hold up, let me add something to my car.
How do I turn on? Alright, the headlights are on. Gosh, no! No, our radar. The radar has to be somewhere. Alright, well that's a problem that we need to solve and fast, cause no radar, no good. So I'm just gonna put up a new radar. Alright, let's set up a new. Alright, this time it's gonna be a big run.
Okay, but look at my car now, bro.
What is that?
Lights.
Use them. Oh, okay. I might have to add those to my car. Wait, where are they? Oh, lights. Okay.
No, they're lamps. They're lamps, and make it the max brightness.
Max brightness. All right. Wait, how do I? Hello?
Taking injections or pills for phototherapy and for adults with active psoriatic arthritis. Serious allergic reactions and increased risk of infections and liver problems may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check you for infections and tuberculosis. Tell your doctor if you have an infection, like symptoms, or if you need a vaccine. Imagine being a million miles away. Explore what's possible and take Dr. Bio. Visit TrueBio.com or call 1-800.
Okay, now what is the invisible material? There we go.
Now turn it on.
Let me find my numpad.
Yeah, but look at my lights.
Hold on. Yeah, but I made mine look cool by making them invisible. And I made them to where you can just keep them on indefinitely. What is that noise? Alright, well this is my car now. Got extra bright. Alright, let's see what happened at the National Weather Service building. Whoa! Yeah, that's so don't run into me. If I stop, I'm stopping because there's something in the road. What?
Damn, bro.
Yep. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna make it look like somebody's in there.
Wait, where's the Dorothy spawner?
It probably got yeeted. Hold on, I'm gonna stick a light in there. Make it look like there's somebody down here. Hey, wait, is there people down here? Thomas is. Wait, Thomas, let me look in. Is there somebody down there?
Uh,
Yeah, I think there is. I think there is. Move. There is somebody. They're dead. They got they got shocked. Man, it's fine. We'll just bury them in here. Let's go. Alright, what do you wanna do? You wanna go to Seacrest in Oklahoma? Or do you wanna just go back to home? Because I'm pretty sure they've already finished rebuilding it. What do you wanna do?
end of video.
End the video?